Happy Sunday. Trusting all are safe and well. Sending a virtual rose and love from a distance. Now, if you joined me last night for my live, I did a presentation of overnight crock pot cheesy grits and chia pudding. Let's see how that came out. Hopefully everyone is doing well while we brace for this nor'easter. First up, crock pot cheesy grits. I garnished mine with jalapeno. Look how perfect this came out. Now, for the chia seed pudding. This is the strawberry. Look at that consistency. But wait, there's one more. My favorite. Three-bean fire alarm chili. Yes, that's a jalapeno. So, everyone enjoy the Sunday. Be safe. And blessings to all. Courtesy of Green Jar Smoothies, Vegan Baked Goods, and coming soon, a vegan hut eatery. God willing.